So Simon and I are escaping the madhouse for a night. We're going to stay with a great friend and have a day at Cheltenham races. I absolutely love Cheltenham. It's a huge highlight of the year for me. And I thought I would show you what I'm going to pack to take with me. So I've got my case here. It's this little antler one. It's hand luggage. And I find it a really great size. So first of all, I start with my hairdryer. So this disconnects, and I do always take it off because I once bent it and it didn't work properly, which was really frustrating. Then my shoes. So these I'm actually going to wear at Cheltenham, and I'm going to put those in the bottom in there. I've then got these flat ballet pumps, which I'm going to wear in the evening at our friend's house. I then have got a pair of jeans. This is actually a spare pair because I will probably wear the ones that I travel up in and just change my top, but I'll show you. So I'm just going to squidge those in there. I have then got they're called sleep-in rollers, but I'll show you. They are quite useful for travelling. I don't sleep in them, but I will put them in my hair after I've blow dried it in the morning. So those go in there. Wash bag, that in there. Makeup bag, in there. Jewellery, in there. Tights. I always take a spare pair, so I've got a pair in there. And I always keep them in the plastic bag because they snag, and it's really annoying if they snag. So once I've used them, and wash them, I then put them back in a bag, and I've got a spare pair in there. So I might pop that spare pair up in there. Pyjamas. I've got my pyjamas. My friend has got children, so I've got, big pyjamas because the children will probably come in and see us in the morning. My underwear. So I've just used an old shoe bag, and I keep my underwear in there. So I tuck that in there. My clutch bag, so this is for the races. It's a vintage one. It's actually my grandmother's, and that will fit in there nicely. I've then got a cardigan to wear on the evening before, so that can go. Actually, I can squidge that down in there and make use of the space. And then I've got spare white top because I always like to be prepared. I don't need that or the jeans, but I've put them in just in case. And then I've got some tissue paper. So I'm wearing this cashmere cream top. So I'm just going to wrap it in some tissue, just make sure it stays nice and clean, and tuck that in there. And then I've got this pretty shirt, which I shall wear for dinner with our friends. And I'm just going to... Now, to stop it getting creased, I'm going to pop some tissue paper in it, in the middle, and just fold it. And it does help keep it from getting too creased. So there, like that. Fold that up. And then that is on the top there. So that is everything in there, and it perfectly is fitted in, which is even better. There's nothing worse than arriving at somebody's house with so many bags they think that you're staying forever. So that's all done. I have then got my hat, which I am very pleased with. Layla Lee has made it for me. I've got a really, really ridiculously small head, so I can't buy hats. Just regular off-the-peg hats, even size small, comes down to my nose. So I'm very grateful for her whipping this one up for me. I've actually got a silk scarf as well, which I had forgotten to put in, so I shall just tuck that in there. And then I have got so I'm just going to wear this navy skirt, which I've had forever, and this Chloe coat. It's often really chilly at Cheltenham and quite windy, so I like to make sure that I'm nice and warm. And then these are from IKEA, and I'm just going to pop these And there. And tuck them in. Keep those nice and flat and clean. So there, we are all set to go.